Let's check out the Insta360 X5 Essentials bundle. This is my full unboxing just to see what comes in the box because it's actually quite a large box. And the Insta360 X5 is an 8K 360 degree camera. Let's get into it and see how it all comes packaged and what we get inside here. It's always an exciting moment getting into a new product, isn't it? Okay, so I believe this just slides off. There we go. Oh, very nicely packaged. Look at that. So it comes with a little carrying case, and we've got a few other accessories presented around the box. So love that immediately. Love what they've done with the packaging. Let's get everything out here and see what actually comes in the kit. Okay, so that's it. You can see there's the foam that's set up in a way to hold all the accessories. Let me just make sure I haven't missed anything. Nope, that's everything. Okay, so here it is here. Let's move everything in so you can see it. So this is the kit straight off the get-go. So you can see case, some sort of carrying case for something, maybe accessories, user manual, and then the selfie pole as well. So let's have a look in here first. It's a little case with a battery. So I actually don't know what's included in this kit, but that's nice to have a proper carrying case for the battery. We've got the user manual in here. So this is going to include some paperwork. Yeah, this comes with a bunch of paperwork, as you can see, lots of different paperwork and information. You don't necessarily need to look through that. And then we've got the invisible selfie pole, so that extends out. I know that this is a massive, massive pole. Let's just kind of bring it by. Can't even get it in the scene. There we go. So that is a huge selfie pole. That's the battery. And then we've got this really nice case here. Ooh, look at that. Really nicely presented. So in here we've got another little individual carrying case just for the camera. So that will be handy if you don't want to take everything. You can just take this little carrying case. Inside of that case, you've got a microfiber cloth, and you've got a USB-C to USB-C. So if we get into this, let's have a little look, see what we get. Okay, so just straight USB-C to USB-C. It says Insta360 on the cable. That's the microfiber cloth, which I kind of just want to keep like that for now. And then in here, there is a little pouch as well to put maybe a battery in there or some other accessories. So that's a nice breathable mesh to store all sorts of things. We've then got a standard lens guard. So in here, we've got a lens guard, a couple of lens guards in there. Put those there. So that's the lens guard. Move that off to the side. This is the utility fast charge case. Interesting. Ooh, and it comes with a little cable that just tucks away. That's really nice. And so this is, oh, it's got like a little trap door. So let's have a little look before we even have a look at the camera, how this slots in. So does it feed in? I don't even know which way it feeds in. That way? Ooh, that's satisfying. Very cool. And I can see it's lit up straight away. Should be able to see that. Oh, it's disappeared now. And then I guess you just eject it with those two little latches there, but it just pushes into place, clicks in, and then that light comes on there that you can see. That's really nice. I like that little trapdoor design. On the back we've got a micro SD space by the looks of it. Oh yeah, so you just slide them in. If you've got 3 micro SDs and then you slide it up to protect them. So that's a smart little design as well. I like that. There's the cable, like I showed you, that just tucks away. Again, very smart design. And then you got the little button on the side and the USB-C. That's cool. And then the main piece is the actual camera itself, which comes with a little lens cover. Take that off. You've got more protection, more protective film over the lens, or the lenses, because it's a 360 camera. Try not to damage this. Really, really nice looking camera, isn't it? Just a power button on the side, a Q button, USB-C on the side there. Then we've got more protective film over something. Don't know what this is protecting. The grill must be like the microphone or the speaker grill here. Just says Insta360 X5. I just powered it on so we get a little bit of a light there. You can see we've got lens there, lens there. On this side, this is how we would eject the battery, which is going to power it down. So that's how you eject the battery, and then you push it in like that to obviously insert it back in. So to eject it, it's literally just boop, and it just pops out. Nice blue trim on the battery actually, which is nice. Then you just push it in, clicks into place. That's really nice. I like that. Little 1/4" screw on the base here to mount it up to a tripod or any other accessory. There's a button there and a button there as well. So you've got 2 buttons on the front. There we are. Hello. And that's nice. Really, really nice stuff here. Power that down. So let's just have a quick look at the charging hub with 2 batteries in there. I think that has to go that way, does it? Maybe it goes this way. We're learning together. Look at us. Must go that way. There we go. Beautiful. So that's the 2 batteries in. Love that blue trim. That's a smart little design. Love the little micro SD slot on the back. Keen to see how this all operates. Comes with a lot in the Essentials kit. A lot of different stuff going on here. So there we go. That's what you can expect. That's the camera there, the Insta360 X5. Very, very excited to start using this system here.